Well, could Marylanders lose their right to vote simply because they skipped voting for a few years? The Supreme Court pondered this question today in the Ohio case of Husted versus A. Phillip Randolph. The Sixth U.S. Court of Appeals blocked Ohio from removing a man from the rolls because he had not voted in 5 years. While lawyers for Ohio argued that the law should be reinstated, voting rights advocates charge that this is another effort by Republicans to suppress votes.
Is an extraordinary step to try to knock off, for example, in Cuyahoga County in Ohio, which is Cleveland, 40,000 voters. That's ridiculous. That is nothing but a blatant attempt to knock people off the voting rolls, and we want people to be connected to their government. We want them to participate in their government, and this is an attempt to continue to disconnect people from what's going on in their country.
When I think about the fact that it was 54 years ago that we had Bloody Sunday, people like foot soldiers like John Lewis, our beloved John Lewis colleague, fought, died, and so many bled on that bridge for the right to vote. And here we are now in 2018, and we're still fighting to make sure that every American has the right to vote. It is, to me, the most precious and most fundamental constitutional right that we have. And it's so important that we make sure that everyone who is eligible to vote has a right to vote.
Now, Sewell is the first African-American ever elected from Selma, Alabama.